This is my twist, and I'm going to stretch it. Oh my god, my hair is growing. But you all didn't get to see the years when my hair was stuck on the same length, the years my hair was not growing, the years my hair was breaking profusely, the years I was running from one herb to another using all sort of concoction, all in name of hair breakage. And I have come to tell you all exactly what I did to promote healthy hair growth. Okay, if you follow my tips, I'm very sure you will learn from my mistake and implement the things I'm doing in this video to make sure your hair grows. This is made of fenugreek, rosemary, and horsetail powder. You can use horsetail leaf. If you want to watch how I made this tea spray, please watch this video. All right, here's what we're going to be doing. The tea spray must be applied all over our hair and the scalp. Remember, healthy scalp equals to healthy hair. Okay, and show more love around the ends of your hair because that part tends to break a lot. This tea spray, I use this 3 times in a week. If you watched the previous video, you'll see how I made it and how I applied it on my hair in the evening before heading to bed. So one of the biggest mistakes a lot of you make after using tea spray is that you are not moisturizing your hair. A majority of you just spray the tea spray on your hair, especially clove, and you just leave your hair like that. And if you tell me now that shea butter, use shea butter is not good enough. Okay, you need moisturizer, hair growth butter, and hair growth oil to seal everything in so that the tea spray can strengthen your hair in order to prevent hair breakage. And let's not forget that the hair growth oil will also help to give you healthy scalp after applying to seal in the tea spray, the one you applied on your scalp. Do you understand what I just said? In case you still don't understand, just drop your comments in the comment section and I will do well to respond. I respond to all comments. The leave-in conditioner will help the tea spray to last longer so that it will not escape from your hair. Next is the hair growth butter. You can see. Okay. All right. If you don't have hair growth butter, an alternative for you is to use shea butter. But don't depend on shea butter only, please. Just make sure you have used your moisturizing leave-in conditioner. If you don't have moisturizing leave-in conditioner, then you may have to purchase one from the market. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a video of how I formulate my moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Next is hair growth oil. Where is your hair growth oil? Where is your hair growth oil? Oh, if you don't know how to make hair growth oil yet, I would suggest you watch this video. This video will help you a lot on how to make your own hair growth oil. In fact, that's the video that describes everything that I put in my own hair growth oil that I sell. So go and watch it in case you want to learn how to make yours. So applying hair growth oil on your scalp to seal in the tea spray is very essential. Apart from that, it helps to promote healthy hair growth, and this can also be done either 4 times or 5 times in a week. You use it to seal in moisture. Remember what I said earlier? If you use the tea spray, always make sure to seal in moisture with hair growth butter, leave-in conditioner, and hair growth oil. And this is what you get after doing everything. And you see this? If your hair is not like this, if it's not as healthy as this, you're doing something wrong. I love to massage my scalp to activate blood circulation, which will promote healthy hair growth. So if you have not been massaging your scalp, then that means you are slowing the process. Next is my edges. I don't play with my edges, especially in the evenings. There are days when I don't even use this tea spray and moisturize my hair, but I make sure not to skip my edges. I always make good protective hairstyles that will prevent hair breakage. I always make sure to massage my edges with the edge serum. Okay, so I will advise you should do so. If you want to see behind the scene of how I formulated this edge serum, I'll put the link in the description box. Look at my edges, how it's growing, how it's healthy. Some of you's edges are not like this, and trust me, you need to do better. If I'm tired of using my hand to massage, or if I don't feel the need to use my hand to massage, I depend on my electric scalp massager. I also have the manual scalp massager, but this electric one does the job better and faster. You feel so relaxed while using the electric scalp massager, so I will advise you should invest in this. It's quite on the high price, but it's kind of worth the price. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm not going to sleep immediately. I will wait a little bit, especially with the fact that I applied tea spray. Yes, so if it is during the day, I can go about my day. I will not have any problem, but since it's in the evening, I have to wait a little bit before using my hair bonnet, then head over to my bed and sleep. Always remember to protect the ends of your hair. If you don't tuck it in before heading to bed, there's a high tendency that it will rub off against each other, or in the worst case scenario, on the surface of your cotton pillowcase or your bed. And guess what? Dryness. And after dryness, what comes next? Hair breakage, of course. So tuck in the ends of your hair before heading to bed, and then wear hair bonnets, and that is it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please remember to subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for day 9 coming up very soon, and God bless.